Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you need a beautiful and reliable place to put your homemade cookies or your candy or your bath salts or endless possibilities? This is an acrylic cookie jar and I am so pleased with how beautiful it is and how many different purposes I have found for it. Now, because it has this rubber seal on the opening, that means that it's going to be airtight. So whether you're putting baked goods in here, bath salts, or unwrapped candy, you don't have to worry about moisture or air getting in. I am so impressed with how beautiful and clear this acrylic cookie jar is. My husband saw it on the counter and he thought it was made out of glass. But unlike glass, I'm not worried about any shatter issues, breakage, or it being super fragile. It has a large capacity, and I love the fact that that opening is so big, I can easily fill it, easily take things out, and it's so simple to clean. So whether you're using it for food, or you're using it for candy, or you want to store bath salts in it, you are not going to be disappointed by this gorgeous acrylic cookie jar. And that is my point of view.